Hi everybody. If you've been watching my videos lately, you would have seen me building that arm harness that I'm busy with. Now I'm going to take a step backwards and redo this elbow cop. Now the reason for that is this was made even before the channel started, and this plate is too thin. It's not really historically accurate at all. The elbow cop, the rounding or dishing, is much too shallow. The whole point of this elbow cop is to have a point where the elbow goes into, so that when you flex your arm, this knob on your elbow has somewhere to go. Now if it is too shallow like this, you will just press up against that. And also if it's deeper, the articulation works better. So I finally made myself a better dishing form with which I'm able to go deeper. So this was just a test that I did, also on 18 gauge. And as you can see, I hope you can see it on the camera, it is a lot deeper than this one. So this is just scrap. I'm going to throw both of these in the scrap bin, and I'm going to remake the elbow cop for the build that I'm busy with at the moment to proper spec. So it is going to be made out of 16 gauge mild steel instead of 18 gauge. 16, that is about 1.6 millimeters. And what I'm also going to do, I'm going to go through a process later on where I'm going to take this arm harness, which might look okay, and take all the mistakes out of this one and fix them. Also, you can see the elbow cop, much too shallow. It's the same as the other one that I made. So I'm going to later on take that off, make a new one, put it back on. And another thing with this arm harness, you will see that this van brace at the front is very big. It is not fitted to my arm properly. When I did it, I was struggling a bit, working cold on the metal, still working cold, but as you go on, your techniques get better. This is the one that you would have seen me making. This is what we're busy with. And look at the difference between those two. The one actually fits inside the other one. That is how much better this one is fitted to my spindly little arms. So without further ado, let's get to it.